welcome to Cecily YouTube channel. Let's work with some clay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and forth with a piece of clay. Now I'm going to use my thumbs and I'm going to take some time to flatten it down. Pat, pat, pat. Put it on the board, and here's a rolling pin. Roll it only once. Yep. And then peel it off. What you're going to do is flip it like a pancake. Do it one more time. Roll it once. Lift it up and flip it. Great. Roll it once. Yep, it can stick to it. And then flip it. Great. I think you got the pattern. Roll it out. And then you're going to flip it. Alright. Oh, roll it back in twice a little bit. It's dried out, so now it's not sticking to my rolling pin. Okay, so I'm going to take a toothpick and I'm going to carve out a house. And once you do that, you're going to ball up your extra clay, just peel it around like this. Great. And put it to the side if you need it later. I don't think you will. Oh, look how I peeled it off the board. It's a foam board. Okay, so here's a popsicle stick. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press down at the end. And these are shingles. I thought that would look kind of cool. Now you can do whatever you want with your house. I'm going to speed this up. But I thought I'd give you some ideas of what you could do for your house. Ooh, I'm going to press down here. And then I'm going to make the door. Oh, I think I'm going to press this way for the windows. Yeah, I think that looks good. But you can do what you want. You can also use a toothpick or a clay tool. So I'm going to end it off with the end of the popsicle stick for the windows. So here's a toothpick and I made a doorknob, and I'm just going to make some window panes. Yeah, add some details to it. So when you're done, you're going to lift it off the foam board and write your name on it. Please don't write your initials, but your actual name with a toothpick. Ooh, don't forget to clean up. Scrub it up, dub. Right? Gotta wipe it all off. So, oh, use water and you're gonna clean it. Yeah, really make sure all the clay is off of it. So thank you so much for tuning in, like, and subscribing to Cecily Studio YouTube channel. Enjoy.